vlog. Happy Thursday. Just a quick clip to say I've started the day with a one no show for a sales call, which is good. Love it when you drop the price and they like ghost without even saying anything. Like, fair enough, they're not against the will, if that's the phrase. But yeah, we're gonna use this as an opportunity to get some breakfast, which is lucky. And then I've got another call in exactly an hour's time, just like 55 minutes, 56. So yeah, we're gonna grab breakfast and then go from there. But this is my view, my setup. Like, I love it so much. I'll show you. Hello. I'm literally in shorts, and then I've got this lovely shirt on, the white top, and then this is the view. Very nice. After breakfast, we're going to the address lobby, which is just gorgeous. You know, the lobby was like 65-70% of the reason I wanted to come back to the address. It's gorgeous. And also the last day, they said, oh, do you want some food? And we were like, wait, what? Really? We didn't know about it, so this time we're making up for it. This is the second time we're getting breakfast, as well as the first day. Oh, it smells really fragrancy, like citrusy here. So yeah, excited for food. Ooh, I didn't notice that. Got a view from here. Oh, and then I've got a call, which I'm excited for. This is my outfit of the morning, not the day, because we'll be going to the beach. This is meant to be my pajama shirt, but who knows, hey?
Oh, we ripping there,
ain't this what you came to see? Let me be your muse.
You're here. Nice seats in the corner. That's what I mean about the lobby. It's absolutely stunning. And then you've got the LED paneling at the top, which is lush. The lattes have come. We've ordered eggs Benedict and Brad ordered hazelnut and caramel latte. Lush. Got the wheel in the background. And then I ordered just a plain latte because I don't like it too sweet. I love the heart. Oh my god, stress alert. Basically, I've got a sales call in 4 minutes time. We came here like 15 minutes ago, so we have more than enough time. But like, want to get the bill? Oh god. I've got to be on the computer. Starships were made to fly. Hands up and touch the sky. I have got my beach cover up on. Do you like it? I love it. I love the colour. It's giving like mermaid princess, like mermaid island princess. I've never actually had one before as well, so I really like it. Love the colour. Sales call's done. I didn't have many. I literally had 2. One person no showed. The second person I thought was gonna buy, but I decided not to pitch them because sales is all about interviewing. If they don't impress me enough, I'm not gonna pitch. Yeah, they essentially just weren't ready. And one way that you can avoid hesitations if you're in sales, or if you don't care, fair enough, but one way that you can avoid an objection is just by like not pitching someone who isn't ready. And that way you keep the rapport, you keep the frame, and you decide, like, if they decide to reach back out, then guess who's on the hook. So yeah, that's all right. But so yeah, let's go to the beach. Wait, I added an extra beach in. So let's go to the beach. Let's go get a wave. They say what they're gonna say. Oh, I don't know the words. Anyway, let's go. I'm so excited. Ooh. I know. Well, the amount of days in the UK where I'm like, oh, if only was on a beach in Dubai, and now we get to go. Sure. Now the outfit's really complete with the cap on and this paint.
I'll inspire you in ways you won't believe. 50 shades and hues, tailor-made for you. Drew me in, get what you started.
I think it should be okay up here. To wear this skirt, it's very see-through.
Your hands, can you bring my body? Go ahead and push up on me. Baby, when you want it, so get started.
We're on our way to the beach. If I didn't say already, if you didn't know that. Look at that view. Dubai.
I'll be your peace. I'll be your peace.
You are now going in the Twilight Zone Hollywood Tower Hotel. This elevator. Can't remember. Choosing where we want to go. This is always the hardest part, right? It's easy for me, but
Yeah.
oh no, I was like so jaded. This is what always happens. All right, okay, cool. Yeah, sounds good. This is so funny. Okay, cool. Ah, sunshine.
I'll be your peace. I'll be your peace.
Oh my goodness, we're finishing up. I hate this time. It's so nice. What? I'm gonna put some clothes on. My beach cover up. So sunny. Just took some quick photos in the sun with my new cover up. So beachy. Also tan now. Oh gosh, almost tripped. We are back in the hotel. Hey guys, we're back from the beach and this lighting is so lovely. I can literally see the waves as I'm speaking this. We had such a lovely time, like it was literally lush. The afternoon flew by, and when I say that time's going quickly, what I mean is like, oh my god, it's 4 o'clock. Oh wow, I'm hungry. I didn't know that, but we can tell because in the sea we were literally gasping. Well, I was gasping for breath because I just did not have enough energy, so we need to get some food. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get ready. My hair's also getting like lighter, which I'm loving. Beach waves, and yeah, I'll come take you with me, but first I'm gonna get ready.
Handle me carefully. I'll be yours to keep. I'm your centerpiece. Make the canvas speak. When you draw me in, look at what you started. Go with your hands.
Right, so just getting ready now. This is my outfit. You can see the top golf tonight. Whee! I love this red skirt so much. It's giving like Grease vibes. Or I say Mamma Mia, but it's not blue, so I don't know why I've got another spot. I've also like been trying this for the last 2 months. I have literally fully bet on myself, bet on my hair, and tried a brand new shampoo. This is not sponsored, but it's from the Cornish Bath Seaweed Company. And I got their full range, shampoo, conditioner, and then detox shampoo, because I was like, what the hell's going on with my hair? It's getting really greasy and limp. And then it's literally been almost 2 months and there's literally no like residue on my brush anymore, which is really good. And also it's made out of seaweed, which is a key ingredient. Again, not sponsored. And the seasoned seaweed, and before the shampoo wasn't lathering up, and now it's lathering up, which apparently is one of like the things that shows it's working. But yeah, I am very excited for this evening. I'll put my earrings in. I fully believe that my left ear has closed up because the last few times, which hasn't been recently, that I've tried to put an earring in, it's like, it's really hurt. But anyway, I'm gonna stop blabbering now because I don't want my phone is running off storage, so see you soon. Going through the Emirates Golf Club first to get to to get to Tolf.
Stop.
Let's get to Tolf. Go. The music. Brad, isn't this your favourite song? Oh, it's from SpongeBob. So cool. Come out with some shit. Hello! Hi! Hello! Oh, I love that. I love that.
How's it going?
So exciting. Hello, nice to meet you. We just arrived and we're going to look at the food menu now, which is something exciting. So excited, I can't remember what I was excited. Brad is literally in the background swinging his golf club. Woo! He doesn't know what's on in that right now. He's taking the first few swings quite literally, that's where that phrase comes from. And we just look at the menu, so. You got it in! Nice! How's it going?
Good.
Brad taught me how to play because I literally... Okay. I know, I need to sit. Oh my god, yeah, this has been very entertaining.
Come on.